Jarvis is pregnant, guys. Before I give you the gist, I want to plug you on the best skincare product.
Fuck these stories is not the only way to make money using AI. You can talk about recent happenings. An example is Tolani Talks on TikTok. She gets lots of views on TikTok and TikTok pay her for every 1 minute video she makes, even though she's an AI. And people pay her to advertise their product, even though they know it's an AI. And people rush to buy those products. Here is a step-by-step tutorial on how you can generate an AI that can talk and act like this. The first step is to generate your image. You can use Flow AI, Grok, or any other image generator, but for the purpose of this tutorial we are going to be using Grok. The free apps you can use to generate these images are Meta AI and VEO3. VEO3 generates free videos too. I've given the step-by-step tutorial on how to use the VEO3. It is the second video I uploaded on my channel. You can go back there and watch how to do it. The second step is to go to your image generator. We are using Grok for this one, and type a 25 years old girl, dark in complexion, with makeup. Now let's do that. Now you can see the image Grok generated for us. The second step is to go on Instagram, Facebook. Just check for the kind of dress you want your character to wear. And me, this is the kind of dress I want my character to wear. I got it from Instagram. And now I will crop the head of the person wearing the dress and head back to Grok. I'm going to upload my picture and upload the dress that I saw online alongside. And this is the prompt I'm going to give Grok so that I can wear that dress that I found online. Make sure the dress is the picture 1 and then you are the picture 2. And now this is the prompt you're going to give Grok. Make the picture 2 to wear the dress in picture 1. As you can see, my character is already wearing the dress, but I want my character to wear a long bone straight wig. So I will say, make her to wear a long black bone straight wig. Boom! Grok have generated it for me, as you can see. You can change her clothes every day. You can change her hair every day. All you need to do is to go back to Grok and tell Grok, make my character to wear a bob wig, make my character to have a braided hair. You can get any dress you want online and crop the hair out of it and tell Grok to make you to wear that dress just like I taught you now. The next step is to generate your image to your video. You are going to go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT using the audio, or you can write everything you want that your character to say and tell ChatGPT to write it in a more intriguing way, in a more interesting way, that anybody that watches the first 3 seconds of that video will want to watch to the end. You say it exactly like that to ChatGPT, just like this. And now ChatGPT is going to do exactly that. You see, ChatGPT have answered me. All I need to do now is to copy the first 10 lines or the first 7 lines of those things that ChatGPT gave you. And then you head back to Grok. You input the picture of your character. Make her to talk like a Nigerian. And then you paste what you copied from ChatGPT. And then boom.
Fear Lagos girls. Very dark man.
Keep copying and pasting until you have exhausted all what you want your character to say. In my next video, I'm going to teach you how you can make your character to be doing her skincare while talking.
Jarvis is pregnant, guys. Before I give you the gist, I want to plug you on the best skincare product for acne.
Taking wine while talking or doing any other thing while talking. This is what is going to bring more ambassadorial deals to you. This is what will make people want to come and pay you for adverts, so that you can be talking and advertising their products too. And when you are doing this, make sure your clothes are very fine, because people that sell clothes will also want to come and reach out to you so that you can advertise their clothes for them too. I teach everything AI generation. If you don't want to miss out on the next tutorial, just subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.